Hi, this is Andrew of Technogadget and we are here for another unboxing. This time we're going to unbox the latest smartphone from Oppo. This is the Oppo F5. So let's start. So this is the Oppo F5. Let's set it aside for a while and let's check what other things we have in the box. So here we have the user manual and the clear case. We also have here the SIM ejector pin. On this portion we have the charger that has a 2 ampere output, earphones, and USB cable. Going back at the unit, let's turn it on. And while waiting for it to boot up, let's inspect the hardware. The front is mainly occupied by the 5.99-inch Full HD Plus display. At the top of the screen, you'll find the 21-megapixel front camera, earpiece grill, hidden sensor. Below the display, there's nothing on it. Going at the back, you'll find the 16-megapixel primary shooter along with its LED flash, the fingerprint sensor, the Oppo logo. At the top, you'll find the secondary microphone. At the bottom, you'll see the micro USB 2.0 port, the loudspeaker grill, the primary microphone, and 3.5mm audio jack. On the right side, you'll find the tray for SD card and SIM cards, as well as the power button. While on the left, you'll find the volume rocker. So this is the main interface, and this is how the Oppo F5 looks like. Specs wise, the Oppo F5 is powered by MediaTek MT6763 processor, which has an octa-core CPU clocked up to 2.5 GHz each. It also has 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage. So let's go to settings and let's check about phone. So these are the information that you can see. It runs on Android version 7.1.1, which is basically Android Nougat. ColorOS version is version 3.2. As mentioned earlier, it has 4 GB of RAM, 32 GB of internal storage. Kernel version is 4.422, which is basically means it is also ready for Oreo update in the future. It has on-screen button. So basically that's our unboxing. We're going to do our full written review at our blog site www.technogadget.com. So please kindly visit the site every once in a while. Once again, this is Angie of Technogadget, and thank you for watching. Bye.